Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to be talking about like how to script and why you're manifesting for the things you're really writing down to come true. Now yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now I've been scripting for a long period of time, and literally stuff that I've been writing down, they've been coming true. So I know for sure if you do it as I'm going to tell you, you will achieve whatever you want. So let me tell you a little bit how whenever I started scripting, what I was doing. So whenever I started scripting, I was like, I want to get this, I want to get a car, I want to get a house, I want to get this X amount of money, but and things were not happening. Because you know why? Because I was always in a wanting mode. I was like in a lacking mode. So if you've been scripting like that, please stop stop being in a lacking mode. So what you can do, in other words, is to be like, act as if you have something already. So instead of saying that, I wish, I hope to get this kind of thing, stop that. Just instead write down this is how I script. I say I'm grateful and happy now that I have this and this kind of thing. You write down whatever you want. Let me repeat it again. I say I'm grateful and happy now that I have, let me say, like a car. And then because if you script like this, you're already acting as if you have something rather than being in a lacking mode. If you see the difference here, I'm like, I actually don't have the thing in person, but I'm already acting as if I have it already. I'm already in the same harmony with something that I want to attract to myself. So I'm like in a receiving mode already. Like, you see the difference. I'm not in a lacking mode. So let me give you an example to make it easy for you guys. This is how like literally like it became easy for me as when I understood this. So whatever you want to attract is actually energy. It exists. So you have to be in the same harmony or in the same bubble as the thing you want to attract. Let's say you want to get like this kind of car, and then like you're writing down, I'm so grateful and happy because now I have this kind of car. But if you like in the back of your mind you're having like this doubt, we all get that. Whenever you're manifesting something, there's a voice inside your head saying, but that car is expensive, you really can't afford it, you don't have money right now. Just ignore those voices in your head as much as you can, because they're literally gonna hold you back. Just have faith and believe. When you're scripting and you don't have faith or you don't believe, like, why would something even come to you? Like, literally you don't believe it, so it will not work for you. It will not work out. You not receive that thing. You have to be in the same energy as something you want to attract. Just know that you own that thing. It is already yours, and believe and have faith. Because if you don't, I'm so sorry to say, in most cases you're not going to believe it. You're not going to achieve whatever you're writing down. So my main issue is that I'm emphasizing on have faith while you're scripting, and believe that the thing is going to come to you, and literally they will come to you. I wrote a list in May, and now like on that list I think I wrote like 6 things, and after 3 months I received literally 4 things that I wrote down on that list. So literally trust me when I say that you're going to achieve whatever you have, as whatever you wish, as long as you have faith, because these things already exist. We just have to attract them. So yeah, and I hope you guys go away from this video learning something, and let me know in the comment section down below if you have ever scripted before, how you do it, did your things come true. Let's share with each other, and then like let's motivate other people who may have some doubt in like actually scripting, because we all have different beliefs. But yeah, share down in the comment section down below, and let's interact there. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can motivate a lot of other people. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.